Welcome to the month of June here at Lichtsinn RV, where we're only 1 mile north of the Winnebago factory based right here in Forest City, Iowa. During the month of June, be sure to check out all of our blog content and our high definition videos as we focus on the camper van lineup from Winnebago Industries, as well as all of the common aftermarket accessories that makes the camper van lifestyle so much more enjoyable for our guests. Also, throughout this month, we'll have our get lowest pricing on the Winnebago Solis 59PX, the Solis Pocket, as well as the Winnebago Revel.
Hi, I'm Jordan Weiland, Lichtsinn RV sales consultant. We're sitting inside the Winnebago Solis 59PX, built on the Ram ProMaster chassis. This all-season camper van is designed so you and your family can take any adventure on and features a classic rooftop extension to let the outdoors in. The Solis 59PX is one of 3 Winnebago Solis floor plans. It is the longest of the floor plans, measuring 21 foot in length. The key differentiator between this and the other 2 floor plans is that on the 59PX, you can choose to have both the pop-top loft and the Coleman Mach 10 NDQ air conditioner. The extra length allows it to include a rear gear garage storage area. The 59PX also includes a Cummins own and gas generator. As you enter the 59PX, you'll find a dinette with removable pedestal table. The seats include 3-point safety belts. Below the table, you'll find a concealed storage compartment. The inline galley of the 59PX features a pull-out counter extension to extend your workspace. Also included is a 2-burner gas range top and a 3 cubic foot 12-volt compressor-driven refrigerator and freezer that can be accessed from in or outside of the coach. Outside of the Solis, you'll find the pop-top, should you choose to include that, 2 exterior wash stations, and a rear annex that allows you to extend your living space. And now, for a limited time, click on the green Get Lowest Price button on our website to have our best no-hassle sales price on the Winnebago Solis sent directly to your inbox during our van life sale. Call a Lichtsinn RV sales consultant or go directly to our website to get your lowest price on the Winnebago Solis 59PX.
Hi, I'm Deanna Rodriguez, Lichtsinn RV sales consultant. I'm going to show you the Winnebago Minnie Winnie 26T. This is the perfect RV for those looking for an easy-to-drive Class C RV with plenty of seating and sleeping surfaces. The 26T is one of the 6 Minnie Winnie and Spirit floor plans. I am sitting inside the Winnebago Minnie Winnie 26T. As you can see, there's plenty of room to entertain, and while this RV measures just 28 feet 5 inches in length, with Winnebago's legendary build quality behind it, it packs a lot into every inch. The 26T is built on the Ford E450 chassis and includes numerous safety features. The floor plan includes 2 slide outs. The front slide out houses your choice of a sofa bed or theater seating, and the rear slide out houses the walk-around queen-sized bed. The sliding door into the bedroom and the bath ensures privacy from the common area. The L-shaped galley in the 26T allows for convenient food prep, while the U-shaped dinette ensures you have plenty of seating for your guests. The 26T includes 5 to 6 seat belts, dependent on your seating choice, in addition to the cab seating area belts. The kitchen includes fine finishes such as a CORIAN countertop with a flip-up extension that expands your work surface, a 3-burner gas range, and a traditional end microwave oven. It also includes a large 8 cubic foot double-door refrigerator and freezer. The all-in-one bathroom can be found right off the bedroom and includes also an expansive wardrobe. The 26T can sleep up to 6 people, including the queen-size bed, sofa bed, U-shaped dinette, and overhead cab sleeping surfaces. Contact myself or another Lichtsinn RV sales consultant to find out more about the Winnebago Minnie Winnie in stock now here at Lichtsinn RV.
Hi, I'm Adam Brinkman, sales consultant at Lichtsinn RV. On behalf of our team, I invite you to make Lichtsinn RV a destination for your summer travel plans. As a Lichtsinn RV guest, whether you're here to purchase an RV or for a service appointment on your RV, we offer numerous accommodations to make your stay with us as comfortable as possible. We recently expanded our campground area where we have over 40 electrical hookups available for sales and service guests. We also have fresh filtered water, complimentary Wi-Fi, and indoor delivery facilities as needed. While you are here, we have 2 guest lounge areas with comfortable seating and the latest in technology. Pets are welcome to join you in the guest lounges and throughout the Lichtsinn RV dealership. We also have a large indoor showroom with the most popular models, so you can look through the RVs regardless of the weather outside. Contact myself or another Lichtsinn RV consultant today to experience the best with Lichtsinn RV.
And that's the month of June at Lichtsinn RV. Wishing you safe summer travels from our Lichtsinn RV team.